Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. From what we have here, you take the log on both sides. Here we have log 5 raised to power x equals to log 100 on this side. For this here, we apply the power law of logarithm when we have log n raised to power p. This is same thing as p log m. For this here, we have x log 5 equals to log 100 on this side. Then here we divide both side by log 5. This divide this side by log 5. Also divide this side by log 5. This here log 5 cancel each other. And we have x equals to log 100 over log 5. That is, next step here, we can express 100 as 5 times 20. And what we have becomes x equals to log 5 times 20 over log 5. Then this follows the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, this can be expressed as log a plus log b. That is, here we have x equals to log 5 plus log 20 over log 5. Then separate this into two fractions. We have x equals to log 5 over log 5 plus log 20 over log 5. Then here log 5 cancel each other. We have one left here, which implies x equals to 1 plus log 20 over log 5. The next step here, we can write 20 as 5 times 4. Then what we have here becomes x equals to 1 plus log 5 times 4 over log 5. That is, this also follows the law of logarithm, and we have x equals to 1 plus log 5 plus log 4 over log 5. Then we separate this into two fractions. We have x equals to 1 plus log 5 over log 5 plus log 4 over log 5, which implies that log 5 cancel each other here. We have one left. This becomes x equals to 1 plus 1, which is 2, then plus log 4 over log 5. Then next step here, also 4 can be expressed as 2 times 2, that's 2 squared. We have x equals to 2 plus log 2 squared over log 5. Then we apply the power law of logarithm here. 2 comes here. We have x equals to 2 plus 2 log 2 over log 5. Then we apply change of base when we have log a over log b, which is same thing as log a to base b. Then here we have x equals to 2 plus 2 log 2 base 5. We have the value of x here. Then let's check if this satisfies this given problem. This will substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 2 plus 2 log 2 base 5. Then what we have here becomes 5 raised to power 2 plus 2 log 2 base 5. This is equals to 100 on this side. Then this follows when we have a raised to power n plus n. same thing as a raised to power n, then it's a raised to power n. That is, here we have 5 square times 5 raised to power 2 log 2 base 5. Is it equals to 100 on this side? Then 5 square 5 times 5, that's 25. Then times, we reverse this 12 from power law, we have 5 raised to power log 2 square, which is 4 base 5. Is it equals to 100 on this side? Then yeah, this follows the law of logarithm. When we have a raised to power log b to base a, this same thing as b, and we have 25 times 4. Is it equals to 100 on this side? And of course, 25 times 4, that's 100, which is equals to 100 from here. Left hand side equals to the right hand side, and therefore we conclude that x equals to 2 plus log 2 base 5. That is 2 plus 2 log 2 base 5 satisfy this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget this step. Subscribe for more videos and turn the notification bell on. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, put your comment, and see you next class. Bye for now.